Class 4. In the previous class we were reading and discussing about the states of the Himalayan and the Karakoram region. And we have seen Jammu Kashmir lies in the Himalayas and in the Karakoram range. Then Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling in West Bengal and some part of Arunachal Pradesh are in this region of Karakoram. Then we have seen a brief description about Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim. Is it not? And then we came to Purvanchal hill ranges. Purvanchal hill ranges. Okay. From there you got a homework for reading. Arunachal Pradesh. How many of you have read? What all the things you have learned about Himachal Pradesh from your reading? Can you say a brief description about the state of Arunachal Pradesh? Okay, Purvanchal region. Are you doing your map work? So you have to locate the Purvanchal regions, the states which come in this region, in the Purvanchal region, as Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. So in my WhatsApp number you have to send your homework. Okay, don't forget that. So you have to mark these states in the political map of India. The Purvanchal hill ranges include the northeastern state, namely the eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. These states are known as the state of the Purvanchal region. Okay, a brief description of each state is as follows. Below you are reading the brief description of each of these states. First we are going to read about the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the capital of the state of Arunachal Pradesh? Can you not say? Itanagar is the capital of the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar, Itanagar, Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. So then what is the location of Arunachal Pradesh? It is the most northeastern state of India. This state located in the most northern side of India. Kingdom of Bhutan on its west and Assam in its south. This is the location of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, students, see this map of India. Here come the state of Arunachal Pradesh. It is in the extreme east side of India. See, this is Bhutan, the Kingdom of Bhutan, and below you can see the state of Assam also. Understand? This is the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay? See, Arunachal Pradesh, the state of Arunachal Pradesh comes here. Understand? See, the capital is located here. Itanagar is here. See the boundaries. Bhutan, the kingdom of Bhutan is here. And below that you can see the state of Assam. This is the political map of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, let us read about the state of Arunachal Pradesh, its climate and occupation. What is the climate of Arunachal Pradesh? Arunachal Pradesh has hot and humid climate with average rainfall. This is the climate of the state of Arunachal Pradesh. What is that? Hot and humid climate. Humid climate with how about the rainfall of the state? They get average rainfall. Okay, people are engaged in shifting agriculture as well as settled agriculture. People are engaged in shifting agriculture. Shifting agriculture, what is the meaning of it? Shifting from place to place according to the availability of fertile soil. People can shift their agriculture. Okay, people are engaged in shifting agriculture as well as settled agriculture. Settled agriculture, what is the meaning of that? Doing cultivation in a permanent place. That is the meaning of settled agriculture. And two types of agriculture are there here. What are they? Shifting agriculture as well as settled agriculture. Both the people of Arunachal Pradesh practice. Both type of agricultural method the people of Arunachal Pradesh practice in Arunachal Pradesh. Which are they? Shifting agriculture as well as settled agriculture. The main crops are rice, oilseed, potatoes, ginger, sugarcane, etc. These are the main crops cultivated in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. What are the major crops which cultivate in the state of Arunachal Pradesh? Rice, oilseed, potatoes, ginger, sugarcane. People are also engaged in basketry and weaving. They, apart from agriculture, they have a practice of engaging with basketry and weaving. What is basketry? Making. That is a handicraft work. As well as weaving. Weaving, what is weaving? Making clothes. Is it not? So basketry and weaving work also. The people of Arunachal Pradesh are engaged with. They not only do agricultural activities, at the same time they are also doing the work of basketry and weaving. This is about the occupation of the people of Arunachal Pradesh. So can you say about the climate and occupation of the people of climate and occupation of the people of Arunachal Pradesh? What is the climate of Arunachal Pradesh? Arunachal Pradesh experience hot and humid climate with average rainfall. Then people are engaged in shifting agriculture as well as settled agriculture. Also, they are engaged in basketry, making basket, and weaving, making clothes. Then, what about the major crops of the land of Arunachal Pradesh? Rice, oil seed, potatoes, ginger, sugar cane are the main crops people cultivate in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this is about the climate and occupation of Arunachal Pradesh, the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Then language and festivals. Okay, what are the main languages the people of Arunachal Pradesh speak? Let us see. Main spoken languages are Monpa, Apandani and Miri. See, these three languages are the main spoken languages of the people of Arunachal Pradesh. What are they? Monpa, Abandani and Miri. People celebrate the festivals of Mayoko, Losar, Murung and Solung. These are some of the festivals the people of Arunachal Pradesh celebrate there. Okay, which are the languages people of Arunachal Pradesh speak? They speak Monpa, Apandani and Miri languages. The festivals they celebrate there are Mayoko, Losar, Murung and Solung. Solung festival is one of the main festival among these festivals. Okay, you can see in the picture. Next, place to visit and special features. Tourist attractive places are there in Arunachal Pradesh. And what are the special features of those places? See, Tawang Buddhist Gompa, which locate in Itanagar, the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, and Ganga Lake are tourist attraction. Which are the tourist attractive places in the state of Arunachal Pradesh? Tawang, Buddhist Gompa and Ganga Lake. Then special features of the state are yaks, abundant forest cover and canned bamboo articles. These are the special features of the state of Arunachal Pradesh. What are they? Yak. See, this animal is found in this state. Yak. I think it is the national animal of America, USA. Yak. Yak is found in the state of Arunachal Pradesh in our country. This type of animals are there. Okay. Yak. Abundant forest cover. There is a abundant large amount of forest area in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. And canned bamboo articles. Canned bamboo articles are also found in a large quantity. In the state of Arunachal Pradesh. These are some of the significance or special features of the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Can you tell the tourist attractive places in the state of Arunachal Pradesh? Tourist attractive places in the state of Arunachal Pradesh? See, Tong, Buddhist Gompa. That Buddhist Gompa is located in the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, in Itanagar. Then Ganga Lake are also the important places or worthwhile places to visit in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Then special features of Arunachal Pradesh is yak, the animal, and abundant forest, and can bamboo items. Bamboo items are also abundant in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Nagaland, capital and location. Nagaland has its capital at Kohima. Which is the capital of the state of Nagaland? Kohima. Okay, Kohima is the capital of which state? Nagaland. Then comes the location of Nagaland, the state of Nagaland. Located in northeast India, northeast. Nagaland is bordered by Assam in the west, Arunachal Pradesh in the north, and Manipur in the south. This is the political and geographical location of the state of Nagaland. West you can see Assam, north you can see Arunachal Pradesh, and Manipur in the south of Nagaland. These are the broader neighboring state of Nagaland. Broader state of the state of Nagaland, or the neighboring states of the state of Nagaland. Assam in the west, Arunachal Pradesh in the north, Manipur in the south. Okay, students, see this political map of India. In this political map of India, this is the location of Nagaland. You know, this is Nagaland. Okay, in the north you can see Arunachal Pradesh. West you can see Assam. This is the state of Assam. And this is the state of Manipur. Okay, this is the state of Manipur. Okay, these are the border state of the state of Nagaland. Okay, state of Nagaland. North Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. West Assam, and in the south, the southern side, Manipur. Okay, this is a state of Nagaland. Kohima comes this side. Here comes Kohima, the capital of Nagaland. Okay, students, see this picture of India. Here comes Nagaland, the state of Nagaland. Okay, Kohima, the capital of Nagaland. Then in the south side you can see Manipur. Okay, then you can see in the west Assam, the state of Assam. You can see this light green represent the state of Assam. Okay? So In the north, Nagaland is having Arunachal Pradesh as its boundary. West, Nagaland is having Assam as the boundary. And in south, Manipur, you can see. These are the neighboring states of the state of Nagaland. Okay? And the climate and occupation of the people, climate and occupation of Nagaland. First, we will read and understand about the climate of the state of Nagaland. Nagaland has a wet, dry climate which is pleasant in summer but cold in winter. Okay, wet and dry are the opposite words, is it? The opposite word of wetness is dryness. Okay, wet and dry climate which is pleasant in summer. Summer season is pleasant, but winter season is cold. This is the climate of the state of Nagaland. Wet and dry climate which is pleasant in summer and cold in winter season. High humidity is the special feature of its climate. So humidity is high in the climate of Nagaland. That is the special feature of the climate of Nagaland. What is the special feature of the climate of Nagaland? High humidity is the special feature of the climate of Nagaland. The main occupation of people is agriculture. Which is the main occupation of the people of Nagaland? What you will say? The answer is agriculture. Crops like rice, maize, pulse, oilseed, sugarcane, tobacco, potatoes are grown here. Okay? Most of the people are engaged with farming or agriculture in the land of Nagaland. They produce rice, maize, pulse, oilseed, sugarcane, tobacco, potatoes, etc. See, come to the next section, language and festival. What is the language, or what are the languages of the people of Nagaland, and what are the important festivals of the people of Nagaland? Let us see. Main languages spoken in this state are Nagamese and English. These are the two languages of the people of Nagaland. Which are they? Nagamese and English. Then people celebrate here mainly two harvest festival. Which are they? Mostu and Sekrinai. These are the two harvest festivals of the people of Nagaland. Which are they? Motsiu and Sekrinai. Motsiu and Sekrinai are the two harvest festival of the people of Nagaland. Okay. Then tourist places and special features of the state of Nagaland. Nagaland has some very attractive places. Very attractive places for tourists, which include State Museum Kohima, Green Park Dimapur, Mokokchung City, Mount Tiai or Woka and Veda Peak are the tourist places of the state of Nagaland. The festival of Hornbill is a special feature of Nagaland. Okay, tourist places and special features of Nagaland. So what are the tourist attractive places of Nagaland? See, Nagaland has some very attractive places for tourists, which are the State Museum Kohima. Okay, Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. There we have the State Museum of Nagaland. Then comes Green Park. Where is it? Dimapur. Then Mokokchung City. Where is that? Mount Tiai or Woka and Veda Peak are the tourist places of Nagaland. Then the festival of Hornbill is a special feature of Nagaland. What is the special feature of Nagaland? Hornbill. It is a festival of Nagaland. This is the special feature of Nagaland. Okay, see here, fact wise, what you can read there? The Nagas wear shovels of different design. We can tell the tribe a Naga belonged to from the design on her or his shawl. So Nagas wear their own shawls. Okay, from the design we can recognize which tribe they belong to. Okay, the Naga shawl represent the tribe they belong to. That is the importance of Naga shawls of the Nagas, because Naga shawl represent different design which belong to their tribe. So could you understand what is written in the fact wise? We can identify the people of Nagas to which tribe they belonged by seeing their shawl, because the shawl represent different design which belong to their particular tribe. Okay, the tribal design is represented by the shawl which the people of Nagas wear. Such a way we can represent their tribe. Okay student, this is your homework. Here, homework, first read about the states of Purvanchal Hill Ranges. Read about the states of Purvanchal Hill Ranges. That is the first question. Second homework is mark the Purvanchal states in the political map of India. So you have to draw the map of India and mark the Purvanchal state in that map as Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland. Okay, you have to mark the Purvanchal Hill states there. Third one is how the Nagas tribes can be traced out. or how the Nagas tribes can be recognized. You have to answer these questions and send it into my WhatsApp number. Do you know my WhatsApp number? Okay student, this is my WhatsApp number 917488204480. Okay, number again 917488204480. In this number you have to WhatsApp the homework. Okay, these 3 questions are your homework for this video. Okay, please go through it and do your work. Thank you for watching the video.